guys, I want to show you my bearded dragon really quick because he's being super cute, so check him out. There's my 15-pound fat cat. And this is Toothless. Here's a quick fact. So bearded dragons, obviously they're called bearded dragons because they puff out their beards when they get upset or when they're frustrated or they're just being feisty. And they will also get black. So he's being feisty right now because he can see the cat. So he's getting all buff and his beard is black. So quick question for you guys. Who can be an MCA? What's the age limit? Everyone should know that the age limit is 18 to actually be an associate. But does that mean that people younger than 18 can't have the benefits? Like, what does that mean for people who are 16 and interested in MCA? Well, here's the thing. Anyone who drives, anyone that requires the benefits can get them. It's just like any normal sale. They would just go through your checkout page as any other customer and they would receive their benefits and would receive their coverage. It doesn't matter on their age. So, being said that, if they really want to be an associate, right, and they're maybe 17 and they need to wait until they're 18, that is fantastic, okay? That is an entire year for them to actually document using MCA services, to actually get to know the company for what it is, for what the benefits can provide, and they will know the ins and outs of the company before they're 18, and they can actually document all of that stuff. They can document when they had services, you know, whenever they used any of the benefits, they can document that. They have all this content. They can definitely build themselves up on social media before they're 18. And then when they're finally 18, they can officially become an associate. All they have to do is do the associate agreement and do their W-9 and everything. And they can start promoting. And they have all this content. Perhaps they already built up a following online. And that is the best way to do it. So I'm speaking to people who are younger than 18 right now. And, you know, parents, if you know your kid could use the MCA benefits, then they should get them, first of all. But also, if you believe in the opportunity and, you know, maybe your kids see it as an opportunity and it's something that they want to do when they do become 18, when they are old enough, then get them on it. You know, show them this video, tell them that they have the opportunity to do this and that there is so much that they can actually do in the time between turning 18 to prepare for their business. And by the time that it comes around, you know, if they're documenting, like I said, all of their content when they're using the MCA benefits and experiencing the service and getting used to the company just as a customer, then coming back around to sell it after being a customer for so long, guys, that's the best way to do it. I mean, you're trying to refer something to someone else. So what's better to do that than to actually have all the experience and be able to use the services and be able to refer them from using them for at least a year before they were actually able to promote. So just keep that in mind, and as an associate, keep in mind that you can definitely sell to people that are younger than 18. They can become customers of yours, of course, because they require the benefits, especially if they are young drivers, first-time drivers, you know, they just got their license. They need their coverage, right? All right, thanks, guys. In the description down below, you can check out MCA, goes over all of our benefits and how the compensation plan works, and just talks about our wonderful company. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and click the little bell notification so you're notified when I do load up new content. Oh, and if anyone on here has a bearded dragon, comment down below and tell me your bearded dragon's name. So mine bearded dragon's name was Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon, because that's like my favorite animated film. Okay, hey guys, have a good week. Have a good Monday.